Hi guys, morning, it's Ala here, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a 72-hour, which is 3-day water fast. As you've been following me before, and if you've seen any of my other fasts, this has been requested a lot. So I'm gonna show you how I feel throughout. I'm gonna give you lots of tips, and also one of the most requested thing was to show you what exactly to eat to break the fast. So we're gonna cover everything in this video. I'm gonna show you how to break the fast, and we're gonna do loads of like recipes the next day as well. So it's yeah, I'm really excited for you to come on this journey with me. As you know, I've been losing weight for a while and it's coming off very slowly, and I've been fasting regularly for a couple of months now, together with a healthy diet and exercising, and I'm definitely seeing results. The 72-hour fast is absolutely amazing. It's healing. Not only gives you energy, lowers your blood pressure, insulin, all of these amazing benefits. Not just weight loss, it strengthens your immune system. And what I really like as well about fasting is obviously your body goes into ketosis, so it goes into your fat storage and uses your fat cells to reproduce and use as energy. So honestly, this fast is probably challenging, in some sense, I would say, but for me, one tip I would give everyone: don't just decide like today, like, oh, I'm just gonna do a fast. Think about it for a few days, prepare mentally, because for me it's all mentally. So if I'm mentally ready, you will succeed on your fast. And if you didn't succeed, don't blame yourself. Do you know how many times I failed? Trust me, like, I started and failed, so it happens and it's normal, and it just means that it's not the right time. So just listen to your body, listen to your mind, and do as you sort of feel. If you have never done any fasts before, I wouldn't recommend doing a 3-day water fast, as it can be quite intense. So you might want to watch my first video where I show you how to do a 36-hour fast for beginners. Or if you're feeling brave, you can do the 2 days. And then once you've done that, then you can do the 3 days. The reason why I say that, not because, I don't want you to do it, it's because your body will be in shock, you're more likely to fail, and it's just going to be very difficult and it might put you off. So I always suggest to start slow and then kind of progress, because it's also exciting that you progress and you feel good. Like, you will see in my video today that I've done it before and I've been progressing, and it's been amazing. So today I'm challenging myself to do a 3-day fast, and 3-day water fast. No food, no liquids. I'm gonna drink tea, water, and probably coffee as well, and a lot of electrolytes. I'm just gonna show you how I look right now. So some of you know, you've been following me for the fasting journey, so yeah, I'm still on my weight loss journey. So I'm doing a 3-day fast today. Bloat's definitely much better now, but yeah, I'm excited. I am starting my morning with 2 giant cups of water and lemon. So I usually just add lemon juice inside, and then I add a lot of warm water as well, and that keeps me going. Who's in a good mood? Who is a little piggy? Who is a little piggy? Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Wow. Hi guys, I'm just on my walk. I feel absolutely fine. As if you've been watching a couple of my fasting videos, you know that I'm an experienced faster. Haven't done 3 days in a very long time though, so it's definitely a new one. I don't feel hungry today at all. My mindset is so clear. I find that when you have your mind set on it, you're not actually hungry, so which is great. And I'm just enjoying the sun. It's really warm, and obviously it makes it easier to fast when it's warm outside. And so far all good. Hi guys, so I just finished my walk. I got home and I'm just drinking my water. Milo is absolutely exhausted. Don't even know, there he is. Look at him, he's so tired. It's actually really hot today, so amazing weather. It's so unusual to have amazing weather here. I feel fine. I think you know, I do get grumpy sometimes if I fast, but it doesn't happen all the time. So at the moment I'm not grumpy, but I'm a bit like, you know, spicy. I would say I'm spicy, you know, as in like, you know, don't talk to me kind of thing. But not that bad, yeah, you know. But yeah, no, I feel good. I think I find it easier to fast when it's sunny. I don't know if it's just me. If anyone else is like me, let me know. I'm gonna do some work now. I've got loads and loads of work to do, and I'll update you later. It's 3 o'clock. I do feel like my energy level is going down at the minute. I'm drinking water. I also had some electrolytes just now. But yeah, it's just around this time when your energy is kind of going down. So I'm gonna take it easy and do more work. We'll see. I think day 3 probably will be the hardest, as I've done 2 and 3 day fast before, but yeah. So I hope I'm gonna get an early night tonight. Day 1 is kind of nearly finished. I always find it easier if I go to bed early. A lot of the people always ask me like, how do you deal with a fast? Like how does it work for you? And I think the main thing is just not to focus on that you're fasting and just kind of, you know, go and do work, do things that you like, watch TV shows, whatever. Don't try and strain yourself too much. Hey, how are you doing? Do you want to come up here? Come to the bed. You can do it. Hey, hi. How are you doing? Oh, whoa, hello. I don't have energy today and I have a headache, and I did have my electrolytes, you know, with salt and all that. But I haven't really moved much anymore. I'm going to bed in a minute. I'm gonna watch a TV show. I'm watching this TV show. I'm obsessed with it. Last night I stayed up till 1 watching it. So my friend recommended me a Netflix show. So I don't need any more recommendations, because I have an addictive personality. Like I just watch a lot of the show. Like if I get into the show, I'm gonna watch it. I binge watch it. And as always, like it gets worse towards the evening, and then during the morning and the day it's fine. So I'm going to bed and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Morning guys. Oh my god, I just woke up. This is 11 o'clock. I overslept. Just weighed myself. I lost 1 kilo, which is amazing. I feel great. Just very sleepy. Can't even show my face. I need to go shower now. And I'll speak to you in a minute. I never sleep this long, so I actually feel happy that I slept so long. But I'm also like, I'm supposed to meet a friend at 11 to go for a walk, and now it's 11:40. I'm not even there yet. I honestly just woke up at 11. I think because I'm fasting, I usually tend to sleep more, which is great. Hi guys, so I'm just in a park with my friend. You might have remembered Flory. We did what's called New York challenges. Yes. Apart from that, today I'm obviously fasting. So yeah, I feel actually great. I have bought myself a giant bottle of water, and I put 2 electrolyte tablets in there. So I feel great. The girls are gonna eat and drink. Yeah. I'm just gonna drink my water. Hi guys, so just to do an update, it's nearly 48 hours into my fast. You know, I feel fine. Obviously I'm seeing some people eat food and that's making me a little bit hungry, but I've been drinking my water, so all good. I don't have any headaches or anything. In fact, as I mentioned before, I think fasting is much easier when it's hot, because you're just, you know, you're not hungry naturally. Yeah, so all good. I feel okay. I feel a slight headache. Feel like I want to eat because it's evening time, and you know, you kind of like mentally, I don't think I'm physically hungry, it's more mental, you know what I mean? After a 3-day fast, which is considered a very long fast, anything sort of above 3 days, there is a specific strategy of how to exit the fast, with what types of food and what you should eat, not to gain the weight back, and also not to overstrain your body. So it's really important to eat the right food for your body, so you get the nutrients, you get all the good stuff. So I will show you everything tomorrow. Hi guys, finished work later than I planned. and now I need to walk my dog. It's beautiful here. Such a warm day today. Actually, I have a lot of energy. As if you've been watching any of my other fasting videos, it's bizarre how much energy you start to get after 2 days. Even sometimes I find it like after 36 hours or more, your body just changes and you start to get like a lot of energy. Morning guys, lost my voice. Day 3 of my fasting. I finished today. Yeah, feel good. I lost another kilo, so far total loss of 2 kilos. Morning buddy. Morning, hey, how you doing? So guys, I'm just having my water now. I feel a bit weak. I just want to show you, this is my cake prep for today. It's absolutely normal to feel a bit, weak. I don't feel dizzy or anything. I've been drinking a lot of electrolytes actually this time, even on day 1, 2 and 3. So I'm gonna have another electrolyte later on. And yeah, I'm so excited to eat today. Today I'm getting really hungry. Maybe because I know psychologically that I'm gonna eat today. So that's, yeah. Hi guys, so it's 12:30. I've been cooking all morning, lovely cakes, and honestly it was quite difficult today because they smell amazing. Usually I have like taste of a cream, or obviously I made them before so I know these recipes are good. But it's just very tempting, so I'm gonna go for a nice slow walk. Obviously I haven't exercised like properly. What I usually do is my night training. I haven't done any of that for the last obviously 2 days because it's too much. You don't want to overdo your body. You want to go for a nice long walk, don't you? But it's so hot for you. You're so cute. Everyone loves you. Everyone loves you. Yeah, they do. Oh, stop being so cute. Yeah, everybody loves you. Yeah, you're like a star of my videos. I think it's you. I must admit, the walk today is definitely at a much slower pace, so I don't have as much energy today as usual. But that's okay, just do a walk or just rest as well. You don't have to. I'm only walking because I have a dog. The oxtail broth is cooking already. I've just put it in. It's going to take 1.5 hours. I'm feeling better. I'm not as weak as I was this morning. I feel fine. I'm just very, very excited for my broth. It's nearly 3 o'clock, so I've got a couple of hours left. Oh, 3 hours left. How exciting. So here's my beautiful broth. Wow, look at this beautiful color. So guys, I am eating in 1 hour. Oh my days, I'm so excited. So for those of you who don't know what you're supposed to eat, so I'm gonna break my fast with the beef, broth, with the broth. And then in about an hour or 2 I'm gonna have a salad, which I'm gonna show you what we're gonna make, and that will be it for today, because I did break my fast so late in the evening that yeah, that's all the food I'm gonna get today. If you're breaking your fast during the day, you can just follow what I'm gonna eat tomorrow morning, sort of, that kind of schedule. But you still need to break your fast, especially 3-day fast, and anything above that with the beef broth. You can buy it if you don't have time to make it. Obviously homemade is best. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can just do it all on a stove, but you will just need to cook it for much longer. So I cooked it for about 1.5 hours in my pressure cooker, but you would need to cook it for literally 6 to 8 hours on a stove on a very sort of low heat. But it's fine. You can leave it in the morning and it will smell amazing. So you'll be very excited to eat. But I'm very excited. Guys, I'm so excited. It's exactly 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. I am about to break my 72-hour fast with my homemade delicious bone broth with oxtail. I've added a tiny bit of meat in there, just like a little bit. Oh, that tastes amazing. So many flavors, you know, like this is, to be honest, this is a superfood anyway. Even if you're not fasting, you can have this. Oh, it feels so good. My taste buds are incredible. So so flavorful, so yummy. Wow. I just put the rest of the broth into a containers, and I'm gonna freeze these because I'm gonna use them for my future fasts or whenever I fancy a broth. So yeah, very easy, and they store and freeze up to 3 months. After my soup, I'm gonna have a salad. So I'm just gonna have a simple cucumber tomato salad with olive oil and some shredded chicken breast. I've chopped my tomatoes. I'm just gonna add my cucumber, and I'm also gonna add the chicken straight away. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of really good quality olive oil. Make sure you use the highest grade. And just add some seasoning. And this is my second meal after the fast, and it's my dinner. And I'm gonna show you what I eat the day after the fast in my next video, so make sure to check it out. Food's gonna taste so good. I'm literally salivating. Can't speak. We have a really good amount of protein here, good fats, like olive oil, and obviously some vegetables that are high in, like tomatoes are high in vitamin C, cucumbers are high in water. After the fast, always try and chew as much as you can. So try and chew 30 times just to help your body. I'm so happy right now. I'm just gonna enjoy this. I'll see you soon. Morning guys, so this is last day. Well, technically finished my fast, but I just wanted to show you my final results. I just weighed myself. I lost a total of 2.5 kilos. I definitely feel so much lighter. I don't know if you guys can see any difference. Yeah, I feel amazing as well. I just, you know, I'm not even hungry yet, but I'm gonna show you in my next video what we're gonna eat all day. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love reading your comments. If you need any advice, just leave the comment down below, and make sure to tune in tomorrow for my video on what to eat and how to break your fast and basically not to gain the weight back. And we're going to be following a low food map diet, a very easy, very simple ingredients. So if you want to know how to break your fast and what to eat exactly, I'm going to show you literally step by step, and I'll put all the recipes under the video as well for you.